reply مربوط بلاو تلوم maybe reply مرمسيل بلاو Chief Justice Ngiray Galaw, Justices, President Paules, Maragol Senators, Speaker Kana, Maragol Delegates, Governors, Lators, Bekl other Belaw, Maray Krel Belaw, Alcel Belaw, Edriel Southern Kelteal, Moronizer, Adanartel, Mugetler to Tom, Hotulula, Tuta Vice President, Oilo, Minister Matul. Advisor Jenkins, Minister Victor, Minister Urgori, Minister Aitaro, Minister Ovia, the full house. Minister of Finance and Artian Yerma, the Chief of Staff. The Malsoka the Manasula other media and Artero walk from TMC, of course. Mr. Uludong from Tiabelo. Maar de regel gisteren hier naar totaal naar tableau executive proclamation executive order boda sign. Musel first boda sign real executive order presidential proclamation number 25-401. Tianga otoraklelo se elal builer September. Girel sel talbuile gida gira del namklat karar adam muzuser adal girela kat maklat girela apkais amrun man sel thimer gidra al sil sa gira kalt mokl man palmeringa sulela DRC sa kuman artia malse el goramo we with their proclamation or about the sign in boda donali rogun skela haladik pasan clear trialo cartel lobangad mga libre gid tial proclamation mga Aileen Miguel ngara education Osel Pumulbay airport Claret Matlab Lomtera health Tijun et Pisong, Leslie Niramolao, Alton Samsel, DRC Saguma, Tesino Buo, Madrigal Kyle Onyasinara Red Cross, Malbring Asuli. Oh, and get away men again. Adranemo. Wayman Tawai Madrigal Jeffrey Ari Chief Rafael. Okay,
Presidential Proclamation number 25-401, declaring the month of September as National Preparedness Month. Be prepared for the Kaltmok. Whereas National Preparedness Month, NPM, is held each September and provides an opportunity to encourage all residents of Palau to prepare for emergencies and disasters. And whereas there is a critical need to emphasize the importance of preparation for natural and man-made disasters by raising public awareness and taking appropriate measures to ensure personal and community disaster resiliency. And whereas it is everyone's responsibility in the community to be involved in preparing the nation and its people for disasters by encouraging individuals, families, businesses, and public and private agencies to observe and enact preparedness measures and practices. And whereas the community is encouraged to participate in initiatives, measures, and activities to promote awareness and prompt action by residents of Palau to be better prepared in times of disasters and emergencies. And whereas by taking these steps, we ensure that as a nation, we are better prepared against threats posed by disasters against human life, animal and environmental health, food security, public and private infrastructure, and allow for more effective and efficient response and recovery after such disasters.
Sula DRC kita mungkin nasi beberapa memoria tsunami warning, memoria typhoon, memoria COVID. Dia ada orang lain nasi orang al time mungkin masih next el tau tadi unding meral kira tak mau malu isyak mau saya ngerti el proclamation kira el sales el lam tergi de lo yo decía del presidente Trablur Belao el rulia el albuira September 2025 el National Preparedness Month. Talboy le kida sada يقول طول يرى لا أمونت مقل يرى لا توتدي. ندي كمان روبو تناقش سياسي. Sudah testing arti ala mungkin ada el altuto. 27. Well, I'll say it's 27. Okay. Okay. Sula. Sula. So the saying the executive order number 496. The executive order niya mo reorganize the Ministry of Health dergid. Umra lo sa mukte dergida agad magara el mut el wa the CCE aureo niya agire la aklangar ma paklela ang guru urgi dar adar bela mang ogiu tial executive order gada mo nutel sumakli awal telela al sela a ministria health dergid mang mal manu dar total of course vice president ngartia a director madraisao chief Eberlin Tamangil direcal Subadian, Chief Subadian, I say. Damal mereka sulil singarti lo mungkin, damal ngitra director madraisau, mengora di mo uiwitel executive order, malu mengora highlight real. Ada kasi dia kan necessary line by line temal kemangan. Oh, di kadim goram skida summary sodi. Mereka terapkan.
Malungil tuta. Is it on? Huh? It's on? Okay, malungil total morarbekel other rawi malmsulang president. Social Executive Order 496 sawayal restructure further restructure the Ministry of Health, more specifically sa Bureau of Public Health, mang restructuring mo within public health and mo separate mental health and social services mo two other bureau. So mang Bureau of Public Health that will remain as a bureau and the cell cook Division of Behavioral Health. Semo tuwab dal mo kuk Moyleakal Bureau on its own. Masel Division of Human Services, which oversees el programs la social service, ma tokora disability, ma tokora aging, seguk mo direkal mo tuwab dal mo wanra Bureau, mo Bureau of Human Services, mo al tril Bureau of Public Health, Bureau of Human Services, a Bureau of Mental Health. So selmal, this is it's a critical milestone for not just the Ministry of Health, but for health services in general. By restructuring Tel Bureau, will separate two other services, and it allows for efficiency, more defined focus, mo other bureau gukmal, mo focus intervention for the public. Public health will remain and focus on population health. Of course, mo separate the bureau, and we're all under the same umbrella. So we'll continue to work together to make sure the services are streamlined. Yeah, everything is all connected to health. When you talk about social services, it's all about health, mental health, linked to physical health. So the separation doesn't mean area. In fact, we will continue to work together. The restructure by mo allow us to be more efficient in terms of dedicating our resource focus morning. So in a nutshell, that's the brief explanation or the executive order. So the functions will remain. LOCC, behavioral health will continue. LOCC are under public health. There are additional services that would include under the Carousel Division. And the purpose of that is to really just expand the services, improvement. Same services with additional just to make sure was talenting mental health mo cover other aspect of behavioral health, substance use. Expand and same with social services. Malaysia services are people with disability, aging population, other services related the families in need of social services, not necessarily domestic violence or FPA cases, but other social services, other OSPE, not necessarily other victims, the other social services. So restructuring del Motril Bureau, as I said, it would allow for efficiency, transparency, and a more defined focus. Focus sa mental health and substance abuse, and the same with human service and mo focus sa social services for the vulnerable population. Public health, of course, will remain focus primary and preventive health, focus sa population health.
Sulang director kita ngora diso mo emphasize ora kita messagal challenges ra balwa dre lalta. Ataria atora dras. One of the biggest challenges that we have trigal di to mospe continue lospe repeat. So ngira ngari klol lurior lo ng certira se mga to badringe and stay away from it. ترى ولغدا ملياق لقال غاروس البيورو امرال سيدا مليسي راوريو لغدم ده سكن غمورو ملي مرام املا بالدغول انك سنغرا ماريوانا انك سنغرا ايس and it continues. So امرال غير الممسي اوريرا درا اجل اوكتورا services اللي provider غير behavioral health ديرغل سيل اوكتورا تورا mental health من كلول issue اللي بلور بلا ضدان ليلو سنترا aba belul mal kloa challenge ni gira la tokora adal tira amo gosodo la ulda swir mengira dal on se malisi irtial urio umesra pastor artia saying and that is where we need the religious community the pastors mar badre lo ngosor yidel el help para arang liad mar maklola dal gira tel to ser dungura tokora social services malabang ayal nga son morarat yedam nga se kadam la inquisa subsidy mora trigal tira ospeangya sol to betsenal get din diri kal gira del mutel lomdoisa program el mortira melisi dirigal de se namre wa child subsidy but de kasel disto para child subsidy diri kal gira no sel masaba qrarat sel ngaria ul digra dal ngo klama and how do we do that mangari sel el program gira del mrus el bes el victim shelter tara mo ngar el tial lurora say how do we help those victims diri kam lamu ul sel el transition facility rig mang ayig del lurora continue to expand why say chief subdia mang ngira del awul ngira mo biura kadam lisi sel lurora elevator kada diri kam ya sa hospital rig da is Maricel Luldaso hace cada privatize or cada Orelwa PPUC Marcel Aurora Public Health Michael community centers Agiria da Milicieri and how do we pull those two apart and make them stronger so muna sule Marcel summary kita mosayang ertiang le sel budget bill bla submit ni or tira kartiya del executive order mo umra lo singira del gut maklir era passa budget adro al bil ma dilungi le me tia da saingani tianga usana executive order e kita trik mo mi bi e bais mo kada murada al bi ase mo maklor meu le gilan mutile ol gita bi bira udo del mut men si egal program bais bais eso mo ora
ya que presidente un suez seguid el tial dingilo seguid el bureau public health del may el mo talmengi mo nganya additional 2 bureaus ran seguid el mo bureau human services ngia mo ngara lagi el para social activities services ra bulurelo seguid el mo para bureau behavioral health waigel namdong I guess ang mokte ka sa kadmara elevate put more attention and more igigid maybe rawyo ilya long ang lengar under the public health bureau selbol why sige mo kakaro sa mo sa edal maungila focus agid more igigid baby services ilya mal cloud to tele more atrabela so I think at the end of the day at yan ang mo prela mal maungil mo BC a service at yan ministry agid thank you.
Okay. Sula. Magbuksay niya. Okay. Sula. Mr. Uludong, ako din mo yan. Kleme kita, continue to press conference kita mo kita. Oh. Ngirudulsan. Mr. Ngirudulsan, malungil tutaw. Kumlame yung plato, dangok. Kau substitute, okay. Dia, kotrule kita orang matatal dia kata kaswes. Hamaरे nga kamera 2 weeks ago kadimler ser Tuesday mergon mutumrar ser gidel Tuesday mengora diga katele del gora update ir gagro ser gida amna matmok gida medibuse we went to Jamaica for the ISA meeting sel ISA adotong le sang International Seabed Authority meeting of course gida mol ase era momo al qatar tial bertakla الجدار أدرى تايرو وسبيري bori ang ilom subel ko mol tomli tialuge la kran gider rogal toiring من الى السلسله ملامو قديم ايود البلور ابلو الاضا واللوبنجيف بيجر التيار تقول واسه بولغمان الامسو بهالم لنا موريتوري مري ميدام المول مليسي يرسل وريور الشيء رول داسون of course en arisel clorot pelas en giredan be del muis regados pel mur la batterie but we're asking for that precautionary pause direga el uri urse noria tele del mora Washington DC mada la gadona mesangel Vice Secretary Interior mangel assistant or they call them principal deputy assistant ringa officially appointed and then while already in Urior wal ngar interior lo meser gida other belau gadam larse ngarisel annual economic consultation lo mgel abluram rigel magadam lo present tagel uk result traurera regal na umri garak raplan gida el mral merak most importantly kada modo tira yel nia al Bangladesh and how we can continue Malaysia still the will gid asera tangarse dirigam nari atelle the meeting el national security coordinator or advisor ngengel wal el altama secretary Blinken Rubio dirigam national security advisor manga wal lugot blo lurior may lodega telam masama yidi melsa deputy di kada dumul lo lisa igel nia al Bangladesh one of them that we brought up with him and then also Sera Ibora Mitrtir senators and the Mitrtir one of them Chairman Wicker who is in Palau this week el la Tora veterans kidam denga se andara compact igel assistance veterans mlegirel el mera adel kira al sela ablur belau ngel President Secretary Collins Veterans Affairs release el babling el melo ase diag de ibo extend el service magada urom tira adro olbiram rigel ase kam sikrolele direct lo miguel administration lo ase reinstate malum CCE sig del urol legal veterans ngar belawa they deserve el sero memo recruiter tira como promise term they deserve to receive the same treatment that tigal ngara akwam and anywhere mang umra lo aseng tamlarong asida other will be rabluram rigela are putting in stronger legislation to ensure that happens ngel Senator Moran and get chairman is the committee of course got Senator Wicker Mlartiang material all in support so hopefully se mosel mararel al before October 1st and hopefully that will be able to encourage Secretary Collins to extend legal service. إذا دريغ الملساو دايل other issues الجدا البانل for example بس hospital يد قد غنتين المول لو أي سرتير how important that is كذا سيرا دعارسي ملوسي لا announce المريض اللي واسي sell 20 million أملا مقلت مقلة السيد المملال نيل يرلا أتورا pension كذا of course غدول درسيس لونتي المرة أدرى والبيرة غلولا لو أسي one of the modifications that needs to be done أملا الأسكرية pension at least raise their retirement age kasi أدقل داسين raise their retirement age مثل ability أدرى أورول مثل أورول ما 65 what pension plans to do changes in regulation if you want to be 55 and retire you can retire but of course reduce the benefit if you want to be 50 and retirement but we need to but if they want to work to 65 let's not go back el time ngare rule dart el other ngara mna retire and get ask pension sem extended tier sometimes in more 2 years extend their other pensioners at the year will extend but anyway I think it's important and message maybe sell 65 allow tier mal 65 it's their option and work with pension on that but we know lo asende qadir pension ngare issuing SS mandiri ngare issuing and we have to make hard decisions akle mitom tiradro olvira elie akpodya sa other house ultob da igel amendments ngara proposal amendments ngara budget bill di tiatokora udo de sel hotel de wiknie olgoril if they bankrupt pension and they bankrupt SS yakamil dirga maurora ngara future malungira ruang ngir mangarela di what about the next generation kita katera do sa other tel to and we need to make tough decisions hopefully ngara incentive lo say if you want the 20 million make the hard choices make the changes el so clear so back legal fund el kita out to it dirigal maria tele del el mitra ngel talsi govern ngel wal lo redra tel DNI so national security intelligence national director of national intelligence ngewal coordinator FBI CIA all the intelligence agencies rablu ramrigen one ramle unti del moria se memo don ngel mere del FBI we need assistance ra tokora adrak sara ablur belau we want FBI and DEA to increase their assistance in Meridian. We already have help from CIA but we want more ele tel problema do donli lo sa cloria ngara akre la blur belal me el adra ngodo bula involving so we need more help dirigan maria tele del meeting el deputy director of CIA the milo osil to and of course Senator Wicker was here magi limit to reiterate ra ga idel on tidra angal sangsela urol girela tora kitel garma angal mesoy sura blur belal lastly, before we left, said the meeting Deputy Secretary Landau, the State Department, basically Kurt Campbell. Of course, Blue Ramregela Donald Trill, one of the things that they ask us, I say, is there any possibility Momeser Triel tira ospe adalngok refugees lego kira Blue Belau. Gida malmol mal tia require klolom sub give us more details adra blur bela mal tia mal obra del to mortire de gal el time de gal gongir tia we am another see so kadir of course kada no invite tira se mer belau one of the things that when we want to talk about PIFRA next year importance of role a blur ambrigera pacifica landa dire dimlo mi soy seguir to lo interior actually landa well officially they announced 20 million le se tilo da seludo da tilo da State Department le do da State Department tungul sa interior tiramo ministerio o miskit dire tara amle al bangleda cell cable el gida selogro el cable ngi am sois brablur belau al me masra ngartmau wal الميرول سيل دواسين سبريل لا todo المرا بالغيلا وال دندري قال كونكت المرسل جيبل لسل جيبل ال currently owner نيا فيسبوك وما جوجل من غير على دو لو بنتري قد اسبرا ملابرو امريكا ما دو تاسي مرغم كونكتر تيان and they needs to be connected by the end of the year لاندا دري قول لاي سرجي دراسه جيم لام دو ورتير hopefully in the مونغيل بسول سيجد ال connection or get before the end of the year I would say we went to Australia last week. Infrastructure investment conference for several reasons. One is that attract investment abroad Australia and Merbelo. We want to attract businesses and may invest, come do business in Palau and قدام مرة لو أسيتيجا بارترا باسيفيك تا understand رجيدا أكتيلوس per example لو أسي for example مرانيا أوريور رايجل الهوسبيتال رايجل مجرد دوسن CH رجيدا رابلور بلاو يعني لو أبيض عمله design عمله غمباليرا إسرائيل this is happened a few years ago هو بيدرا غمباليرا إسرائيل موت رمولا specs لو تيرقلا يوروب الأوانير بلاو So they had to redesign. Well, mereka tell design, tell me project, mle biskita India, 1.5 million, actual miloy tra design 750,000. Mang ilang ter adal degal understand ra blur belo. I mean, we can go back. There's other stories. ADB ma ahayra kong balir Aegis el blura France. Mga kong balir italil mem gdilili ra sewer. I mean, these are just examples. Mak mle ang graduate tese. Kumya ngara Pacific, komora sa Pacific, come and look at Palau and see the opportunities. You know, between now and 2030, there's over $1 billion in projects that most likely will be built tra blur belo. A lot of them are defense. Another example, el time igel radar sites are being built. Akong balil subcontractor, akong balil Turkey. Tamal nga rabital blura they're murtal me. So we want to encourage firms that are in our region to come. But at the same time, we want them to invest in hotels. We want them to invest in the tourism sector. Manggel Minister Conroy, manggel Minister of Pacific, Australia. Amle announce ra sa Qantas. We call it the Paradise Express, Palau Paradise Express. Malmol funding through October next year. End of October, they've committed to another year of funding. So, Ablur Australia, there's two big things that they're doing this year. One, of course, Congress said 16 million, and provide the battery solar, and they will continue to fund their airline operation of Blur Vela. So, close to Trail Set Partnership, no sé del Mitra or other Qantas, so we say right now they've doubled their sell. They decided other or tagal mera Blur Vela compared to previous years, and they're positive. Sell goal or tira say by next year they mal flight that's actually. Generating revenue LDIM na model subsidy of Blur Australia. And they were telling us about conferences that already been booked next year. One of them is a doctors conference, el Eidil Toktang Amira Blur Vela. So we're positive. The moment positive, I said that's a new market that will be stable going into the future. The Actiomesra example or Cook Islands. They reached 170,000 tourists last year. It's the biggest growth of Blur Australia. So there's potential. We just need the connectivity. Gadiri galunit lo se dalmol merselul das se mgram motablo flights Blur Australia na Blur Vela. كذا of course إليم نوريات level المتر رادرو البيل الأدرى سنة لما لقى question سرتيل جيرة لا أكيد اللي تل يسمعنا المدارس المورتير مقدار قرا ديم ل المترو ترقتيل واسه قدم المول من مسا جيزة رابلور بلا المسيسي المرالمون and we're I get projection أكيد if anything they're conservative. Close mesar al sel budget. Basically two things. One, paying down a blals, legal, especially the more legal niya ngarbab oningil blals. Ongerung, the sell proposal budget adiregal mo address or sell 10% increase. Nora state governments ma adiregal el mora rugul employees ra a government. Yeah, tool McClure changes and I'll say, and then of course. Some restructuring like Ministry of Health, they get vessel offices like cybersecurity, gida nilara alsel. Di mlepto kay policy questions nilara alsel ayosang ang. One of them mlepto kora pension, to kora SS. Akmadeng elwase akausisak mo luswala tigadiom to kay increase retirement age. Kwase kum di ebal rogoy mo kum diom dasor kum di am dasora arangayasa. Digit sel do mesa problem rigid ko do mesa arangale la blur bela. Makpeo lito se bebera tem mo olgri le gora sho mo klom dasora igel mo ka isura arangayasa. I think one of the things that we need to always look at is look at things holistically. And we need to find solutions. So Manay was saying sell clo debate trablu rather will be la mamdacht make bold decisions that are really decisions about our future. So the help material understand was say Allah. Let's take SS for example. ang armadillo was given to them in 2022. They'll raise their SS tax from 7 to 9%. The missing opting na trablong mamlas kasi consider the get halfway there. Leng mring rada jump to 9%. But we need to preserve the fund. Real adam le partner sa el recommendation. Am le magiging adam le kasi hindi kal sa mga benefits sa RSS. By some make sure sang malmol ma benefits. Willing at all time sa sacrifice to make sure ang malmol may MCC itial plan. So say tara proud in a tough decision, but you know it's going to take bold leaders and tial olbil ngani at all time toba angaral, and they need to make decisions, and we cannot expect to say there's some money from somewhere to take care of. It's a cloud problem that we have to address and we have to take responsibility for. Osisil tokol gila tokora pension. Akmadira say other house amle renewable bringi akle askara other asento say lutul consider losisa baiga. We cannot continue dimsad and do nothing. So if you're not going to do it, then come up with a different solution. But do something because namatila dos otras pensiones irmão comilu lotungira atemela eita netal mal el time la motela lirs edrigetal mal يقدر continue المساعدين. So we need to take actions. You know, one of the things that we did we've been raising wages. Tiamo mo del raise al mura government private sector has had 2 increases. Kada medina sing bring we're doing everything and help it here. But part of that we've done tax refunds and another thing close to trail sell ngesol mura retirees. Al 480. Goram kita no other house adim le authorizing uktim la appropriate team de se tiaram sel talabo gadu ora diriga misel maruri. So kadam le askara da senta sem nutur we consider loyang le tianga close to trail ngesol mura other ablo. Diriga medina se ara la tenki mran medio plus sel 10 cents el subsidy mura dengi amora regulado los peadengi. Hindi akong umralo kasi ngira subsidize ra dengira dengira vice dengira chief of staff ngira the target tangis sumara los peangis puede ser teliru to reinstate ni of course we disagree with it and we should be focusing our efforts al help pertige los peangis hindi kal el di blanket hindi wasel lulvas wala se kami the reduce ra PGST actims kami example arado lo mara ala de other below tourist other spending ya de other below mar tourist to spend mar other below miselom reducing in mar bekla what we do ang do los isibin mergi de other below kita decide was na priority help pertigel tiro speangos the most to lift them up, but at the same time yo do nga sa udu dira other blue long no safety ragida so dimle sokal share sigid ruk issue ra budget kita mol molon other all bill gadora uren no se. Hopefully this year bol sel told the era September 15 mo ko at level mutiging edri but anyway you know bol September dori tom skidra midnight but diragal elal merak of course gida mo host the Pacific Island Forum we're going to be going to attend this year tol mara al mergid but tote al mergid adra blur belau the last el sogal mo dule sogal pa yung ulan sa Vice President sel Blair Smear Hawaii finally sel SL building Vice President mlamo imaf kung ulan sam ko di mo update gila
Solay Presidente unil tutal marapek ladro wi Kautian la sign executive order na reorganize na Ministry of Health and Human Services mga parang asule mandire. O ngerong tiagit el blair Hawaii finally kada mlamo mo klaro will paperwork mga namlam ara mang sigit sel set 12 ba igel units ng ara sel 3 stories 12 units ng ara sel Sa igid yaw pala mo available rel ang algo po leaders mer.
Nine.
Ong 9. Ong 9 eh. Okay. Gomeng. Di akal 12 ong 9.
Jail or Takarar, 18 and
Why
patient.
sa igid eh. Wal sabil 18 el patient sa mo occupier sa igid el BSL building ang lang mo. Pangmla tuwa pa daw dal marar. Belan di nga rin igil wala magigrel management agreement tal dirwa dongot mo kalma ko insurance al mo girel ti al building and di ung ilar mo dringi awas say saludo dul tabdi ol bira lula ol marat ti al blay el wabol lapsar el al September abla ngul marat ti al blay men na mo ngil basula ro kuil toy adi ipay mlamoklo ngara elang awas era magaray may mosabe el البلاغ رمود لو سيغار ولا لسندر تيرغاي دل غوسمه البيبي الجيف الباي موس المورا هواي المورا تريبلر موسب ادل تيغا فول الادفانتج تيغا البيلدينغ البلاغ بارار بسي جيري دل اوريول لو تريرار تيال hospital ma direct tirgal book private el clinicians rigidar adar belaw موسب il direct el sabil refer cases el monge of course president tak Akhirnya orang ngil mokla meeting lo penggela tirgal kontera tripler malamang nang liti gidel possible mo sabil war accept ab tokol cases ra other belaw lo spean sura toera grul ongede el alsil sra kapsinge temek mer da team ra tirgalom te era Ministry of Health and Welfare ra Taiwan hospital ra Taiwan ako men tia ministry tirga mekmer na el algapsinge yang artiang molmo tra adoril ko sing ilabuil ya mokte gertira me soril gorame o mesa igal book investment dertir maigal ngesurtir na mortial ministry gidra health and human services mang directly te level mga adortir directly mo to lingita abe birra badang ilangesul girel tial ministry at ko hospital gide el alsil se president ng betoga urior el marar al tial hospital gid lamo el alsil sen mara implemental mortial OR gid madirek el medical record section gid mara laureor report lame o sa gitsen sel gukumr hospital amar krek aureor so next month September ngia complete aureor se malklowal ng swirl gidel tirgal guk ngaraw gurur ngal inpatients ra alsel hospital and then ang atarak lolo reor ang makatratal dong iringit ya gidal direkal mustat mobilize sa reor ngi tiale mo mga dora hospital la to bada biding tamla award ngi tam ustat mobilize ma direkal street lights rigid man direkal maamagat mokul maliwek ra hospital mang ay gida baby ram lolo reor yakti ngutial te ale dimre nga sulir bekal adal ngartial ministry ra health and human services ram ring loweri ra bekal sales sulang president
So, hello, Mr. Victor.
Malungit total mora reklad mar adra media. Ingaria tablol update tel gunita ngar email tablol update. Ako teng kadamaniel waseng under RPPL 10-54 and dakal gire del tobo da ngidil ngaral ngara alsela garensela blur belaw sel waseng internal water ngara kabo bal mora almol ma territorial sea ngara ikrel almol al mora 12 nautical miles kadamaniel waseng kadamlo olo mesa adel ngaria ngal todo ikrel belal le diaga wergamam stobra Maltangteda gimere nga sulela management ra United Airlines ra airport United Airlines ongra ala check-in ra United Airline makwantas ma China Air no sobril gimore lo bantrir tamla mo ngel kwasaro gul check-in baggage el guler ma box agirel mera inspection sel officer gidra Bureau of Fisheries el ngar airport el ngar office ngar bitra security agi inspect eloya sel sil el qasay gimla inspector ngi magyolungitra ar adal mor umra el qasay alla ahmal blaqtaq el wasay banra export or attempt to export selva mulo tungira guler ragal mul mor export etil consider del attempt to export agyolo bongela Ministry of Justice moringa bulis el ngar export mo sab el gukrulis el ngar lela abulis ra otutel sella dakal moktegra mama umde emraad mokte ka say boto directly alla mo give tagid ya yo aisal morabway mo me la kabom surprise talo sengania bulis ng arsay mo issue gawa fine orang arrest gawa sugum ko tomelialla mo impactor omrolem lang mo el dakas emel mas raskogi mo mal di o aisal morabway ko say ako no esel tele laurior bodong at mokaringira airport lo tutisel la ko say RPPL 10-54 yo lagi trar adal say la ko bong malgo mal makitel togol mar adal brurangar alir letrike ngarsel mal diol tautralla dakal ula ministry ula balur belaw modama lo lagi trar adal ngar adal mong mal mom malgo makitel togoy o tobo da dakal girin lo laval mral arbe bula tebel emraela magi malolngit lo say bodo directly alla e bodo tirak la tretele lauror e la bodo lo gomkit el togol mora adal over ongerung adik provide update lo say sera July 14 ya Bureau of Agriculture amle report al mora police lo say mlaringa break in al morsel livestock division ra Bureau of Agriculture ngarang SR emlodibu sa safe cell incident under investigation ang niya ako magal mogel gilelseng akmulitra Ministry of Justice mong mo sabel mo enser adigel mla sabel ministry gutmok logi wagel guk sabel gutmok gilelsel incident agiblo find out lo say a process agirel lo sia sales arala kalela arm agirel depositor every week since April hindi mo lang depositor more serable dibo sa safe ministry imlo suspend ra tewal employee ngar eliram le o measure segi del process imlo dakal kat makli le suspend for 10 days since then etamle return el mevrior terror trigel employees of the four amla terminate effective ra August 20 ministry mla gutmaklia process lo sia selngaria sales ra kalela arm ang sales ang mo deposit agim lo change ra temela sales lo alarm mam el verify of those ra ngar either clock eto mo deposit ra bang ra era long simra banga diregal gim le change ra adel long ra sell process diregal gim moru ringa mo ngar al sela September otro lela kalela arma di mo electronic payment mo dia ala bakyas el may mo give tiang tirelo ay sal mora rogul adra sers el tiro ara kalela arma lo asay mo al sela September agimira bangal mo mas kamam sel swipe machine mo either through credit card or debit card selve mo ara kalela arma mo tobda announcement tuk masing mal mo omura o ingaral sales ra al sela September mang kidire diolingit kaloreng ma operation ar adra sers lo say mloringa way segi del talaman al mora riora al sela government ay gagida ko sabela ministry mla gutmok mo make sure waseng dia kalut moringa way gagida del talaman ra al sela rior el galela ludo del government mo missing digagida al boringa geru riolong sabel mo oger omsulang
Kuritra Ministry of Justice and Maria. Sulang Mr. Victor.
Sulang Mr. President, malungit tutan morabekla. Di ko kola di ogi wala la Minister Victor. May mention ay gigi del case involving the Bureau of Agriculture. Michael segi del case break-in ama klaro min nga currently under investigation CID ngaring suspect partir mata currently the trial located trigegi del el suspect segi del incident dire kal ngaring dilo para kasus police may respond report Amadalai around 10:39 p.m. Rakasus naringi 55-year-old sa alme lo lom godong orar blis el non at milti galingim la mosme era blir matalai hanggang ako last preliminary information na last visible visual ringi amle kapsangin sa patong tiram lo discovering ira akasus ng 10:30. I guess currently under investigation to include the cause of death. Kadawri ro bingala hospital gidal segid. So the podatingel wasing segid adilub also on segid last mues August 23 ra evening inya tumla discovering ira kasus August 26 la mosabel nga nga visible signs of advancing decomposition rabol batigan nga rabli tigay gidal direkal sa gidal kung musbe sa selblal mention nga Minister Victor in relation lang more sa gidal el gaysra Bureau of Agriculture particularly sa livestock sa mang direkal nga criminal case investigation and ongoing and gidal other involved the other will involved sa gid di yagi the updates Mr. President tayo po nga kirin sa Pekalonger.
Mr. Uludong ari ako ram with ice sa the chair. Sa August 20 nga kanyulo apablingel na President Tele el mergi the ice sergi the tiamalung il ice. As of August 14, 2025, sel dasing Accrediting Commission for Community and Junior Colleges amla kongi ra PCC il mo accredited the 4-year college institution. Kida sera tuturo obviously one of the things el duro PCC say how can they become a 4-year institution. Sel mlegat magil la sel science building irtil. Semla open. And so congratulations to President Tele ma PCC leng mugudok lang wa next step. Ribbon cutting is SL building Friday at 2 p.m. Joiner gida daw nga sulada tayo. Okay. Thank you. Open for questions. Yes.
Question na nga kamura Minister Victor. Kamli mention was saying include luggage dakadil cooler or otherwise.
Well, I gel the sabay wasing ngaringa loltur alsel la cooler ma box. Tal luggage bila la ada da alsal sama wasing sumel wasing ngaringa frozen ran alsel mo. Di dolgit mo sila mo marte multur alsel.
Egel wa black coral maalu mangaral dire kal ngartal mention ngil kapo kapal moral mol.
Ay ge mugul dagal girel maran. So emlo tura tim ding ako sel sa mamarulya di dolgit erlan was at least tay gagid. Malakal bekal adal tiya kaloru lagi gid lebera inspection tial blabilel. Leng diakal muktigra ma inspekta blabilel ras. Musulang.
Next one, Special Advisor Chen Gin Samletela enrollment tra public schools for this school year.
We opened this year with 1,972 students.
Thank you.
And that includes everybody, right? That's high school.
No, that's only public. That's only public.
Yeah, no, but it's from kindergarten through
Kindergarten through 12.
through high school.
Yes,
That's the lowest number ever.
it's the lowest number. We lost about 6% of our students.
President, kamle mention ra salkirela tora pension plan. You said it gives a chance for those who want to retire later than 60 years old. You mentioned about 200 tel adal. Sorry, malmon lower. Ang nga I wrote about it a couple of weeks ago, and Diri kalmal bato kara adal sorry retire at 60. So my question is with your proposal at Trigal Cook sorry retire at 60, do they have to wait until they're 65 to get their full retirement? Ubeng it's up to the cell board that you're just gonna leave it up to board that pension plan to make those
So
policy
there's two
decisions.
things. Siragi mo dura adra board of pension. Ito sa igel rest tertila retirement. Actually up to regulation or pension. The only thing that's in the law, still was how long can you work? Under Allah, you can only work up till 60. So, they work up till 65. A pension, the way they set the retirement or say, not a regulation. So they can, even today, they can make the regulation or say, retire at 50. And this is the benefit you get. So, alul ko niya pension say, sir nga Allah require all be tiagin hindi fixed tibang ya arrest nga ra again the kalam klat ka board of pension say they need to do their job as a board because that's part of the problem a board tiga politician tiga giro nga sel protect ring the government. That's why it's a separate board, but sometimes they think they're politicians. So we need to remind them, our politicians, orang sa tigal Montalino say 60 whatever. As a board, they have a fiduciary responsibility. Saying a little more trigal, they must have to contribute. To protect and make sure they all get something. At least sell blood of promise. And I think that's so important. Sige da, trigger misinformation ng marami ng mga but that's say something else is gonna take care of it. A pension do salary when the money runs out, kita more to the annual budget about 10 to 15 million a year. If we bankrupt our SS, we're talking about 15 to 20 million a year. So we need to make adjustments now to minimize. Pension, we're still going to have to give money. But we need to minimize the impact. That's why I put it in the budget. Because it's a finance issue. It's not something else. Enough for
Morakaw sira July 19 ang lang ngay babil ngira atra olbil el wal tikal sorry asylum seekers or my question is kakal dir kamla triple mingra kura kuk position na raw sang marakong al balurbela considering if for the time being al ubang ngaringa kura plan el kirela sabi el muktel mo considering sometime in the future.
I think we're very clear. What was proposed because I think at the end of the day, so a position I don't think we ever say close us. I think discussion is always good. But not reservation concerns they have to be addressed. So, sure.
The last question na nga Minister Olgaril mention na investigation with the with the incidents that happened at Minister Victor. My question is so I'm going to ask you para update ra sel investigation nel girela just few weeks ago nga few victims and reached out ra media ko para investigation nel girel sel investigation to fraud and embezzlement tra housing authority.
kamsulang Olga Leila, hindi ako bang updated til ang alsaberal sufficiently paskawa. Let me get the update and provide that to you as soon as I can.
Thank you.
One by one, ano ka rin sa ito naman itong
trafika vaya malgayo kama wa niwal marada maklo trafik ringi maksa igigit mo kadi sing sabel malu bendia kaya ungero nga sing aring isel petition le ko mababil am na mergaw dolingit telwase mo next time mo do adam rigel ne ko sikirela agora aigel masyo sa matrigid ngi as ko muri ma grital au mesra Ukraine, masa Taiwan ngarinya igel boltur ngi sel sumang ngare nglaut umdas sa kelelungil oy umdas ng asabel mo wayang yaw mablilyo miltaman na mga si umre oy sige ngare nglaut ma oy oreor mabalda tigel mo igara kuksay tigidal po ayol ma ada si Michael sel ngarinya kala sel ma gamar belas el mosois Adi kiri kasing amo saben bring up seguid el marel mara attention adam dikel ngara petition mga egor ka petition magong ya kiri kamera vice president was el transition house amo umuro ingrang magong ngurang niya ang seklo kumlori mo kirem mo increase hospital fees ma-question sa agurul hospital mo mas malubendia mo mas ang lamot telang mo ro ingrang ang legal mora a minister Victor Wasegel do no sera gugera da do ra dengwa ngaria ul dili aku reng sing ngaria karuslo maral to lo sa dibus lo do da ngara o gi madrengel telael eigel secure lo do da eigel lo dibus ngara o de madrengel tela confirm silva seng waise embergo amura a Charles obiang ase ikel project tra rael sil lana moria o ngerul bidding rai karar papal ikel diakal bol mereka rael last time ko dim announce ikel bibira state oitia ang esare ya chief of staff ako ang artia din mo makri ka sing mo kum na announce abit may gigit embergo aktibo litra minister justice wase ngarinya report ra sel escape ra sugi nego mesakel court sel court case bla file escape against amador material terror bui adia ka reporting imna to medio mesa sel court case sel affidavit ra arbulis o otia igam seguidel escape report ra suging ikalelungil ay kagidel silboria maklutol watiang igal mal tangal ade porque ade sel todo ikalelungil boria report kupol sel ul solve problem sugum ngaria problem ul metetilo bot dige gide kum sula
Labis sa igal green.
Tumulong nga sa
Besele,
alakaran dia.
Sele, tuwera transition facility. Agote, Presidente Rebelaw amlara sora. Emle announce ringilul tuy ramle al mamal waseng mo sabi el open rang radyon. Sa igidya, kamam katatal lo si apek rolele open ringir sa igidal time. Hindi ngara tial press conference was hindi kakal open. Tiya kita difficulty gi face ringi Maral maring lagi mo sigarar adal mo ureo. Sa igidya. So, latest meeting nga kamamar eli nga kamatirgal guk nga management team ra hospital ministry. Ang agiospe are 12 adal mo ureo. Letiamo 24 hours in operation. Agi so far agim la 83 are 7. Matamade lar 5 adal gim dirgo sigar tir. Magita of course a priority gida o sigar adal belaw al maurior. Moray galurior al sel belaw. Hindi gayidal announcement al maray le malmering la recruiter adal belaw al moray gayidal urior especially o mesar mi itut. Ya gim la decide al wasim romed open ringil mora adrangod al belul direct. Oh, leng namo dia sa pedal di hold offer tiyang mga tekatringi. Lek madang liya tingin la president al merkamam. Madirek kal adrabalo direk lo girl was at yang mo sa bel open ro ingrang. So sel sa bel ay sringir el angawas ya mal akmadangay kana maaraw labong ra August magi plan so mamal open ringira September president. I hope mal mo sa bel open ra next month. Sel gipatir tirgay dal additional 5 la adal morior. E bay di mo ko spare ti al press conference direk do ay sa wasay al sugum tangarian adar belao al director sorry rawai kay kita lo reor al lolong sewar mo mesar arsme lo titiriars diak tirga diak al ser tirga tirgel al tiria wa bol kier ti kita al facility emro ko yang ariar adlo mesar tir take care tir 24 hours a day e by direct sabi il me apply ay lo reor al bol sabi il Morinya urerir. Aku ring se president lo se salary tirat tel gibel ngar babar tel minimum wage ra blur below. So that's se by direct el waraw ngil el mortira pon se il mel Morinya urerir. Ong yerong ekam sao dat tiale logong has ong sa klelakar. Me ako tulul. E gida ngil matangel was se ngarinya sliding fee ra hospital. Ara adal meraw guru raklol hospital gid ang aringa igel ula sliding fee magida amraringia dia kadol tau tersel maral aralakar maaralaw guru rarokuil adar belaw selmer tial klol hospital gid mandi madal e solay sa igid atang song seringi mang tiang adia kal besel toy tiang ang magtatal issue ra blur belaw rang aramol may mang president tamagid adul waset ya kada makaray we solve ringil toy leng diakal sa pedal di imalmol mal dirmur tra negative ra pekal time sa igidia mang nguk kire lo si gabek aguk pebir rael e sola direct el molong seur ti al hospital gid mang mosab el direct el recoup paudo del mosab el operated efficiently effectively ti al hospital rabalur belaw. So ngaringa uldas will mutlo mesra tiagid al billing system rigid ra hospital ma invoicing system rigid lo sigar olel wasang magarang e solaya a minimal impact morar adrablu e gidabay yo sigar olel ti al HCF rigid matmo carry raklo lesay yang alel harawa to ra grul ra al selablu belaw masaygid ya gora uldas ul marael ya tutawak milong dura president al girel ya waseng somamel guk OOT sa latest al gamamar adamama koram lagut makli tiya gidel tokwera invoicing ra hospital gi modar sil mergaw mesam emergoy da guk tungulo dar sigul morarwa HCF mar adro ulbir ra lulaw emergoy boda implementer ngi al tayeng la diak do tuti sel ngi sel maral kostra agar ma guru ra blur belaw and at least in direct moktega sa kadamara osi gabek rael e direct lo lang seur tial di marael moklol arala tokoira gurur rablur belaw longol ngia complementary git e geiria di soal sire
Kola di scout tial ore ya mam do modone. Government rablur belaw. Sel moda ga gero ko longoy government rablur belal tekero hospital mo tokora hel rablur belaw. En gagaring akmed lui el milyon ratar. Aigel galekta hospital. Dia kadil ara la garang dire ara la guru. Ada ka boleh rul milyon al satar. hindi complaint ra adra blom hospital sing ngaram de kangaral kar ngaram de kangaram tia omal di lme ti mal em ol bdi wase me alora minister ma adra hospital ngare ina fulong tiru lang wilur bolungilan ra adra blu no so we need to help each other and I think a ministry of health rida we need to take some of that responsibility. And so, sa kal include el mora HCF, mora MSL ang niliyakra. But just to give you an idea how much money is going into healthcare. And with again, probably another 10 million. So, CCTV, di ka mga mula sa mga.
Sing maltelaw do dun lodibus. Paisra sel time blodiagabol lorur sel girirul kut maklil depositra of do drabanga el mol tercera bol dibus. Agi atadi estimate ramam. Investigation amran motor kaklil wase maltela. Ngan ogim madaring el telala. Mandir pulis sa amnen maigir rogul sales invoice el atira mrura investigation mo model ko seng mal telang lodibus ludo. Eso al mo taklil ak mention arterul adal me terminate. Termination has nothing to do with safe lodibus. Termination involve rakwasi trigil el terul ad amloringa imorir otto badalel awdodra alsela safe musia ulet terminate trigel tewal mlo suspend because endim lang release el ngara al kwasing ngirel ngaria sel segirel mora deposit tabang ketemil erel mo mang tal time they are report therefore mloringa kloludo del meder alsela safe mensual mo taklil kwasiar adel mlo ngaria adverse action on mortir ada kada doaseng tira mlo uleng dibusa safe investigation amral meritra gigidel telang tengila igel kwasetong malwangar extentra atalaman mlo ri tuat ama amadangila safe mlo dibus mong tisukan mataklige men dia kabodo doase tirgal adal mle terminate ngila safe we don't know that investigation amral no sulang. So el asel cook so July 14 POA a reporter marvelous lo say nania break in or say the livestock division 1 week later July 21 el cook Bureau of Environment sel obis ang arbitar sel marula kala arm ako na reporter marvelous lo say ngaria arm break in or crane machine camera cancer alu. So investigation na dire kal maral mong dia ka sabi kal masada yang sabi la ngani lo dengan minister ng sabi share. In the meantime game la install CCTV ra cell compound mong moria sign el kasi ome ngani ome serkaw kumsulang.
Mr. President, dik ilagay del update na Minister Victor. So again, aktin mutan makataklil wase ngaring ya ang different cases involving ra dagi del pasyor sersen ra ang SR. So ngaring isegay del cases ra break in I gave ang criminal case undergoing investigation ra CID. Damla identify our suspects, possible suspects, al time kada actively kada try locate trigay del suspects for both I gave the break in Bureau of Agriculture, ma Bureau of Environment. Selguk tara criminal case and involving possible employee misconduct involving misuse of government funds. And ongoing altara criminal investigation in involve collaborative efforts so gela appropriate persons sa Ministry da MAIF, ma Ministry of Finance, reconcile invoices, o mesay gigit el reward o determine mula sa mal telang although el girel mang ay gigit ya criminal side ay gigit el ongoing incident sa Ministry da Agriculture, Fisheries and Environment. Sel logering report tra escape prasugi. Sel milsa nga na top da newspaper dire kal top dra karakarila escape report tra Amador Osima. So ngosisul treta do spering tial escape pra sugi temaela. Escape pa da kadil incident. It's a criminal case. So Sugi has been charged. Agay samlam katmok na transmitted al more officer Attorney General kadol tutak kaningil kinila escape. Diway sige dal teletal el mil katmok el kinila Amador Osima misel Borakort el tiagid rosisil process el sabi eman ngura akaragari sige dal cook report el involving la escape para Sugi na tema ela. Engi kadulu ay sir alela tial escape el was ngaringi ongoing el inquiry el cell shooting el part tial escape lol tirak la rules regulations ra bla police esel ngaringi officer involved shooting ang ngaringi inquiry el guk maral el girel same ang ongoing ma momkat mok la report tani metto dra ulang misulang.
Songe ngirma.
Tutao.
Oi, kungil tutang kungil o so pero lang tayo titra le bay di kungil ra kadim. Biak kada matra kara peltiga dengan kara pelurung esal kauter opo mo korigera o rio rara ringi man. Di kada so den dio aisel wasing ngaringa Aurora ngaria Aurora Rail Marail eblat aorta ong edera Aurora sel longa ngarera au era titera simisu se neultuira ontila kavenorang esare kada mlos edel lo lo pangel ma kada mo Aurora ablet aorta ringim el moraji ensimang Maraila Taurol girel segi del mlongang rara o era di dera simisu Michael tablol luro rara el marara al selablu egida amal mol mal al aorda yel restra yel made Israel gired el masmenta rabek el ragmang a presidenta angaringia amok tegaringil wasing kadore etay karera el alguk administration ringil moguk pol merekal taraudore apelur belau polo mesel kuk kirela bebi raudol dir komadelam dia wasbel del update del kirela rael digangoto
Natiblo il question on mulagere Mr. Urudo otro CCTV gigo kongel waseng close to la CCTV tara urol maral al sela blur belal al time sela wording and el fiber optic cable al mora bekel margalel ablur belam egel CCTV connected al mora fiber optic cable. So ayer irutra sila blue order tamle anda bal haising raseng el mora camera mo clol expense atial seng matiasem imagining extending mababal da balak sel seng mak klo mo itraseng de camera a camera So gida amir cell installation na cable ang iya mo sa dal itiu tagal camera basically everywhere. Gora sea aurod marail. Sel dungora sel petition Blakatak la ngarala blu amriga la mangkarra masabak la mangkarra blur belo. In fact, sel first meeting rigidra magila blur amriga sira tabong ya tamal reminder rigidra wase agi protect ra blur bela the wall homeland. Radara blur amriga la iges ngakaro so singira a defense borakwam adaka bunker rakwam. Almora rakwam. Dingari sel doseng shield el protect mong ngari ambisel selo lol top and make sure I get there klalo adalme mang gito mesagel exercise el marara airport marar I get part sel demonstrate their capability a test matamdul masabak le mangarra blur belo you know kada understand sel longitang repetition mang modar sel me kita of course kada mol modadur ambriger longit tertilo ase Raul Doswir. I don't know if you recall Mr. Uludong mlaria timer adra olbira galulaw mlaria gate exercise magim lorsem sa adra egal Patriot missiles mutulagere abay mle questioner tirase egal el Patriot missiles el launch ngara airport Ayah kalau bayar wila bayar ngar bela leng kada week closing mol ngari misal selme de kal ngar bela bayar meredel lotto bado ilal ngar qam la la meng edel siga ngete de mo set up mo se ya adu bamlame mamlari atinga dan maram regel wase kale lungin mga igel el station ra blur bela lon logi until all bil e ngo sisul senate ko to the resolution wase ayom tok amin ti aktimis kami ha Akora history mo kada. Kada mo ba imol tokol imol blue. Kita soda long karigi de kalsal soda long karigi. Anyway. Di sel cloud to tela America la se kama el al time ndagi misa threat rablur bela require wasang gira Patriot missiles ang rablur bela. Ndi ngar alam. So Segim dia segi protect na ablur ambrigen rogi na dekal ngari Patriot missile sa rogul bashor al sa ablur ambrigen. Tome sa threat, evaluate and make sure that we're protected. Now, do we need that in writing? I have laldung, but
sa Israel ma Iran. Tulsem ka misal mo tirat mura umula. Mataiwang sil hindi ko tasik melsasel drila Taiwan ralasman. Saya biggest tahun no sois bara galim te expectativa la so melukretir til ay gide la sila ora di platon ngartiam se lo me ambisala of course ang amori potit hindi gide ko mo dir mo tiang
malungi lang ari JCM meeting
oise
that they're coming to Palau on September 29 dori mungil question of the posal morti was how are we protected on suma adubame
Musulah by na answer petition.
Di aktiva se al sum kada tira botang adu bra nuclear bere kada nang ngem dro goi di dom da sura di do lulu kada mora ba lwa de ser you know really the goal is deterrence.
Dia kena kedengaran drone.
So
okay, musulah presidente.
Okay, apa di musulah. Oh, namun dengar question.
Usted Vice Presidenta, kaya kolkau, tulkel kolkau maon lamura. Mister, betul. Kira sele current el blaldo para Hawaii la seng. Tamo transition out of it, tadang di mol el proclaim el ngania direct el current el blai wa sendia. Sige dang status sige nexa tele restructuring el blal sa niya president mo require extra staffing like el tulburo como leadership ringi mo alang kadi mo promote from within es el long del question el mo gire el staffing es el tele transition house ya Same question dia ka puting other bela leng dia ka qualify del mong alo ben dia ka other bela mong se direct ko shift ringin mo a minister ko kasi ay gel botol vacancy na blue bela ngari nga vacancy uleng dia ka qualify del other bela may gel position alo ben other bela di sa gel audio sulang.
Okay. Mek musel gotel gere sel ngiak current el leader Hawaii. Se malamol mal blade, se malamol mal clock lela am terbelaw. Of course, President kuk ngi amo decide al wasay senguk mo ang raur batalel. Elagi tiyan lang uti gidal besel blay, bladi dirga tul arar, mang kadola bal tablor elang. Basay gidal kuk al dul girel sel got blay se kuk kada mangila direction ng President al girele. So selongerung al gera yes. At alak alwide President Tial basically all blame sa niya mo effective October 1st isang way say gural away say lang mo bang Tial basically osang rabilor belaw mang se bolo rioring yes kadam lak create tabesel tablol besel bureau manggo Kirel Morniar mo director sa igidal tablol besel bureau mang MD of course ay gelo rior al ngara under Tial public health relang ako ti mawasal mo sa igidal ay gigidal BS Bureau mla Oktubre. Mang ako naswe yes la kuk ma gidal lo sigar mo BS director sa gigidal tablol BS Bureau elam. So ako cost ringira kuk personnel wise ang adi akal sal klo impact ringi. Adi akal sal klo impact ringi la already exist lurior el sales. Mang ding kuk team restructure tial linga di imol public health rablur belaur el sales of course alborngi kukmo mereda la igay gidulur yor ekdo para process ra government ra ika public service position ra balur belaw maringi a process ra personnel ra balur belaw bodol tira paringi kuk fill up ay gidul position selong edel girel transition facility kot kam sauder tirgel wal kwaradir kang song sal adal mo urior tialur yor ngot pel dia kapal requirement rara adal mo urior ratial tira mo bentrir tirgay gidal tirgal miit utal bebir gid al maa al bokir say gidal basyo ngel agim lang uy tirgel way abol runner tial facility tirgel girel ngaringi adu urtir at koera nursing mga ra tirgel wara mo supervisor sa already mla fill up agibay yo sigir tirgay gidal mal di dia kapal experience tir leda pong ito asen sa edel ngaraw rior emergo te trainer til direct so as long as sisil adal asab emlo mlebul trasme emerang dia kal ser tirgay gidal mi itut mga ra en dia kapal requirement tamal uben dia kam koragire mel tuwa tras kurang ra al moray gay gidal rior di difficulty gimla anawan sa igal posisyon emring dia ko ngel waseng gidar adar belawal adia kal sawadal ngaraw ay gidal rior sa igid yaw ul maldo magiwas sa luk na mo dia kal sa edel di mga tegatertiam di mga tegaterngim merkodo sigar adarangot al blue il sabi il mo fill up ay igal posisyon we need to open this as soon as possible ang president tam katataral sa waltial facility at open ngi direct occupy trigal adal do sa other tier direct mararingi awal wara occupy gal betra hospital al nga giril morars ar adults me ar alsel so malbeot dia require agora to kubetsel o training al ubeng school hindi dia kar adal apply say dia problem ra mamal gi face ringi lang oy
sulang ngawak malung na gadim ngani nga erlol multela adra ngod blul ngarbelo ya tutagi mi mulsatang ira cabinet mo part tel initiative representative mo dongas audu dira tel fira adra ngod blul leng maybe ang botoka factors and the factor maybe it's a salary issue ndaka adal sul willing al mamru sig dulyor at the current tel box al dot ngira al sera civil service maltal atanga siya gornya udo do sis betel ko foreign labor fee e kaya do do ko kolnga sa udo dira are other bela willing to do that job mong ako ta singira dal mo plakatakla as a society mga ray ke lurior kita willing al rule madia a waitressing so tal rule le kale la kal so tal waiter waiters, bartender, farming, caregiving. Nga niya, aklol participate ra CE, it's a continuing education program ra PCC. Trainer mo caregivers, partly mamrul or tigid lurior. Almost 99% tra adal may apply, adal mo dal siya direct le trabactor at tumasa certificate til lagi US certified certification. But tapay ng arteng apply udur Amerigal. You know, kada at training man dia kada join ma ay gidale bolurior so the vacancies are open. Training are available. Agaryo lang kung is it a salary issue, so maybe ngira la ministry mutal model in el mogel was saying ngari ako salary de hitter niya ada willing mo take care sa idulurior sa lagi dal mo masuburgi multo swal
Maria tol importante modo sen elol meltela la adra modo el marbelo direct el momdail was national government Ara sira turu obis almost 2,200 employees in national government. Era al sil setem lang mountain mo sira 2,000. Atara hotel book cycle saying el babier. Their resignation. Ayele job vacancy announcement. Recruitment. Agidi recruit. They gather apply. Ek mutil sana next month. Mutiadi kan.
Dalam time I spare a bus driver.
So sel do asen deka urior dek ngare urior ding action deka ras. Kata kaya ngesew. And maybe unfortunately may ngare maybe urior ding fast money easy money sorry ngare deka sorry like urior kita. Mang kata help para ngare kita mo understand asa ya makit. Ngari urol available please ebariga but we have to continue lo nga sa igalu do dira adal tiro urol elegi ngara hearing atramlo correcto issue Ministry of Finance amla initiative ringi lo say we want to offer training and internships and mlara nga galme help them so they can get interested in atokora finance because ndira ngari shortage Mamlek suggestion represent Senate maba Vice President Senate tiabay gira dan margi mang dekal dil finance amrurungi giran berurungi a health giran berurungi a Ministry of Justice le tiga igel vacancy at all of them are sending them me every day ar bulis ade kan siya del filler tir tangos so one of the things el gida ultungira budget tiar dil tira adra house dire kan blad adra Senate assembly we have to adjust our foreign labor fee. Take it los issues. So two things. One, we can use the money for scholarships. The other one for internships, training. Or turang algadra order. Tell us in fee and raising in mo 500. Ali, UAE 5,000 for 2 years. So 2,500 a year. A Singapore $200 a month. They get the ask 500. Other blue o monday. Masindar trial adrang the blue aurora maklol gombali aurora trial adrang the blue. So who are we developing Palau for? Paul ngani terong odro ase got other below the helper other below to sikrola se tamkaramo se sibraigal uryo. Let's generate revenue, train them, get them interested, raise their salary rather tir uryo mo bot samaria uryo. Anyway. So agora the last observation on atora labor sula. Burde. Malo iseng mal lamo 2 hours lang artiang mal tiasel mal comprehensive press conference makpan bringa sulil mal maklorong me to kamil garmeu bodo recognize tigel to ko bet sel tira el sel tira I'm sure gidar other bela rogui mangania Clyde et Pisong angara ministry ka vice president ma Perlinda Nira Ungil ngara Harris Elementary School ngara MOE ma Jacqueline Pedro tira ngara Pala School ngara MOE ngania Jordan Tewith ngara Ministry of Justice Mr. Oriri Magoran Van Rostrick Van Nosterwijk, Minister Victor ngara mafe. Kadamal congratulated tir, wish them a happy birthday. Tiri roguluk tanjobis tiri lalwig mrenga sulir, el monsieur ya adar belong. Lo ise kamal di mrenga sulir rogul adra media. No sira regel tokolung ilger mrenga sulir adar belong. Adios selo almol mulam kaltangat ra arbek la adar belong, ma bulad ra blur belong. Sura. Ma next.